Good afternoon, everyone. As you know, we are becoming a Google district, which I'm very excited about. But with that comes a couple of changes, and the biggest change that you are all going to see right now is the change in student passwords. Too much to explain in an email written, so I'm going to show you a few things. And this happens, the change is in effect starting on Monday, September 29th. So I wanted to send this out to you so you could be prepared. In certain MISD programs, basically all the programs where the students have been using that color word like bluefish, goldfish, green cap, whatever as their password, those will no longer work. So the password that is taking the place of those color words, or whatever you want to call them, is their 8-digit birthday. So if their birthday is in January, it would be 01, and then the month, and then the 4-digit year. So what we have done to help prepare you for this is we've made some cards, and it has the student's name, it has the student's ID number, but of course the username will still be S and then the 6-digit number. The password is their 8-digit birthday. So for the student, it's 09232003 for September 23rd, 2003. That's the birthday. And we put them on cards, so if your students are going to the lab or if it's for stations in their room, Think Through Math, for example, they're going to have to use this as a password, so you can give that to them. We have also created a little teacher cheat sheet, okay, because just as a way to be helpful. So if your students are logging into a computer, they'll have to use their 8-digit birthday as their password. So on this sheet, it's got your student class list. Try not to show you for confidentiality reasons. It's got the student's name, has their ID number, their 6-digit number, and their 8-digit birthday. But on this sheet, the year is listed first, so you'll have to just reverse it. You'll just have to say 08032009 for this particular child. So, but this is more for you, not for the student. So, because the year is listed first, and when the student inputs it, the year goes last. So, once again, student passwords are changing as of Monday, September 29th for any of the programs that you have used where that color word, where you use the same password for every student. So, iStation, for example, since the password is the student's ID number, that one is not changing. Think Through Math is changing. Computer logins are changing. Think Central is changing. If the students ever log into Library Search, it's changing. Anything where that color was used. So if you have any questions, please let me know. I felt like this was too much to send in an email, and I wanted to be able to show you these cards. By the end of the week, Lynn or somebody will bring these cards to you, as well as your teacher cheat sheet page. These cards are not laminated, especially for our older students, 3rd, 4th, and 5th. Once you tell them what their password is and they understand the significance of those numbers, they'll remember. But with our younger students, the teacher's cheat sheet especially will come in handy when students need to log in to certain programs. Okay, that's all for now. Thank you very much. If you need a moment to grieve the loss of the easy passwords that the teachers can all remember because they're all the same, take a moment, but then move on, because we all have to move on to the year 2014, where we need to have more secure passwords. Thank you very much. Let me know if you have any questions.